Welcome to the elevators at the Fry's supermarket in downtown Phoenix. These are MEI, Minnesota elevator.
Going to 2, dude.
Thank you.
There's only 2 floors here. These are hydraulic.
I like that one because a huge screen, you know, I love that.
Gonna be out the window.
You want me to tag you?
How's it going? Good, how are you doing? Doing well.
You tag? Oh, you don't like the elevator, huh?
You're good.
No. Yeah,
Elevators
she
are like
got
20,
easy.
20 floors.
Look at the rain behind the mountains.
I see it.
Yes.
So I think it's gonna rain today.
Yes.
Right here.
Have a good one.
We'll take this on 2 rides. We'll try and get a ride to ourselves going down. Capacity 5,000 pounds. This is elevator 10 in this building. Very nice. Got the glass doors here. Basic cab. Innovation fixtures. We are on 1. We'll take this on another ride. Here we go. I know.
Okay, let's head out.
We'll head out. We'll just take the steps down. Anyways, I'm gonna watch it go, and then that's gonna be it. There it goes. And I really like the glass doors on these. That's it.